Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the phone number and the exact Google account or Apple ID that holds the backup. This is why restoration fails if they differ. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi, the battery is charged, and you have adequate free storage so media and databases can expand. Then install WhatsApp, open it, grant storage and contacts permissions, and verify your number. The app immediately searches for available backups, so you can move to the next step. When WhatsApp detects a backup, you'll see a Restore button, tap it and let the chat database download and unpack. This is the core recovery operation. For Android manual restores, move the latest MSG store. DB. Crypt 12 into the /WhatsApp/databases folder before installing WhatsApp so the app finds it locally. If you're transferring between phones, copy the backup and keep the identical phone number and account. Once the database is restored, WhatsApp will resume fetching media and rebuild message indices. After the database is restored, WhatsApp will continue restoring media in the background, so leave the app open until that process reaches 100% to avoid missing images or voice notes. You should then verify chat integrity, reconfigure notification or backup settings, and rejoin groups if any require reauthorization. If you encounter a no backup or mismatch error, check you're signed into the correct Google or Apple account, confirm storage permissions. Ensure the local backup file name matches what's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.